Hello guys, now we will learn how to install and configure printer and network printer. Simply guys, go to the search tab, search for control panel. Okay, as you can see, control panel, click in the hardware and sound section, click view devices and printers. Okay guys, here we can add and configure a printer. Simply click to add a printer. Here guys, go to the printer that I want isn't listed. Click here, then select add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Okay, click next. Here guys, we can select my printer driver, or we can import the driver from hard disk by click hard disk, browse and import my specific driver. Okay, as an example, I want to select HP DeskJet 6600. Okay, click next. Okay, click finish. Okay guys, my printer appear here in my printer list. That's it. As you can see, it's easy. Now I want to add a network printers with IP address. Also guys, simply same method, click add a printer. Also the printer that I want isn't listed, click here. Here go and select add a printer using a TCP IP address or host name. Click next. Device type, select TCP IP. Host name or IP address, put your printer IP. For example, 192.168.100.1. Okay, click next. Here my Windows searching for my printer. When detect my printer added to my printer listed. That's it. Simply guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. When the searching finish, click next and finish.